Welcome to Startup Sparks. If you're dreaming of launching your own startup but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to turn your idea into a thriving business. Let's dive in. Step 1. Validate your idea. Every successful startup begins with a great idea. But is your idea viable? Start by asking yourself, does it solve a real problem? Who is my target audience? Conduct market research, gather feedback, and refine your concept. Remember, an idea without validation is just a dream. Step 2. Build a strong business plan. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success. Define your mission, vision, and goals. Outline your revenue model, marketing strategies, and operational plans. This document isn't just for you. It's essential when pitching to investors or applying for funding. Step 3. Assemble your dream team. No founder succeeds alone. Identify the skills you need and surround yourself with a team that complements your strengths. Look for people who are passionate, skilled, and aligned with your vision. Your team will be the foundation of your startup's success. Step 4. Secure funding. Next, it's time to think about funding. Whether it's bootstrapping, seeking angel investors, or applying for grants, make sure you understand your financial needs and options. Practice your pitch and be ready to present your value proposition clearly and confidently. Step 5. Start small and iterate. Don't wait for perfection to launch. Build a minimum viable product (MVP) and get it into the hands of your customers. Use their feedback to improve and grow. Success is a process of continuous learning and adaptation. Starting a startup might seem overwhelming, but with the right steps and determination, it's absolutely achievable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other aspiring founders. Stay tuned for more insights here on Startup Sparks. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you liked the video.